everyone. I'm excited to give you guys a cabana tour for today. We are at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon, which has been a long time since I've actually come here. I am normally a Blizzard Lakes person, especially since they've been open. We would have picked that today, but it was good that they are under refurbishment and that we are going to do a tour for Typhoon Lagoon. So we got the basic cabana. From my understanding, there's a couple different types of cabanas. There's 3 different ones. You can go ahead and reserve these by calling. I'll go ahead and put that number here on the screen. Because we are DVC, we did not get a discount, but I was able to book through member services and they were able to get all of that for me. I'm excited to show you everything today. We do have a personal attendant. We do have guaranteed lightning shelter. It is safe from the storm, so that is really great. If the storms start hitting and lightning is out though, our cast member will not be with us and they'll have to go inside for their own safety, which is perfectly fine. We have about a 40% chance of rain today in the afternoon. It is summertime, it's gonna rain every day. I'm excited to show this cabana to you, so let's turn the camera around and take a look. So this is where you guys are gonna come for your cabana. They're sold out for the day, so good thing we have made that reservation. We're looking for Cabana 10. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Perfect, thank you. Wow, you guys, this is a great location. Perfect for people watching. All right, so this is our cabana. So it is going to sleep 6 people, which we have 5, so that's perfect. Our towels obviously are included. It is private and roped off just for us. There's a nice little storage cabinet right over there. There is a security locker, which is gonna be right there. I believe this is gonna be our personal attendant.
Gotcha. Well, I just want to give a shout out to the Pulsipher family and I hope you guys have a great day today at Typhoon Lagoon.
Thank you, Morgan. And just for reference, you guys, we got Cabana 10. I am super impressed with it, and in the pictures, it looks like the floor is going to be all sandy, and it's not. That was my biggest concern, and this was the basic cabana. So I am super happy with it already.
For sure, you want to do Crush and Gusher. That's that water coaster I was telling you about. Okay. And then over at Crush and Gusher, Banana is going to be the most intense. That has the steepest drop at the beginning. Okay. And then Coconut is the second most intense, and that's because they kind of do like a double.
That's one that's like banana, coconut, pineapple.
Yeah, that one right over there. So straight across the bridge to the right, it'll be right down there. Pineapple is like the most standard version of the coaster. Okay. Banana has that really steep, like almost 90-degree drop at the beginning. And then Coconut, like you go into a hill and then straight into another hill. That's why Coconut's kind of my favorite, but Banana definitely gets you down the hill quicker.
Probably try them all, huh?
Yeah, for sure. And then right across the bridge to the left, there are 2 body slides. There's Humunga Cowabunga and Storm Slides. Okay. So Storm Slides is kind of like you're carving through the mountain, and there's 3 different slides that you can do. There's Jib Jammer, Stern Burner, and then I can't remember the name of the third one, but it's another nautical pun, like another ship kind of pun. But those 3 slides are all different. They're enclosed and then they open up at the end. So you're carving through the mountainside, you're picking up a lot of speed, going through the darkness, going back into the light. And then right to the left of that is Humunga Cowabunga, which is our straight down drop slide. Okay. And then that's 3 all drop at the same time, so if you wanted to race, you could, so you gets down to the
Oh yeah, you guys love that.
And then that's like dropping down 5 flights of stairs.
How about me and you and Loser Rides the Cabana?
There we go.
And then Grandma Slides.
My grandma slides. We have 2 family raft rides in the park. We have Gangplank Falls and Misadventure Falls. Gangplank Falls is going to be on the left side of the mountain right over here. That's one of our oldest slides in the park, so you do have to take the tube and push it up together and then put it back in the water and you'll go down. It's pretty easy going except for there are some rocks, so you might bump into a rock and then like bump around a little bit. And then there's also a lot of like water explosions. So as you're going down, there might be like some jets shooting out. So that's why I kind of like this adventure a little bit more. It's not as crazy where you're like shooting up on the walls and everything, but it is pretty easy going. You all go down together. There are a few little waterfalls, but as long as you keep your head in the center, your head won't get wet. That's what I like to do. Even
Yeah.
at a water park.
What is the best thing to eat?
Gotcha. So the best thing to eat. Let me think about that one for a minute. Because there's my favorite thing.
What is your favorite
My
thing?
Okay, so my favorite thing, we don't have it listed on the menu here, but we do have it on the app, or I can give you a description. It's the Island Crunch Chicken Sandwich.
Okay, I can put it on the screen.
So it's going to be a breaded chicken fillet with chipotle mayo.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Vegetable slaw, and a little bit of lettuce on the bottom too.
Nice.
Yeah, I love that. That's my favorite thing. I just want to give a shout out to the Pulsipher family, and I hope you guys have a great day today. It's really good.
Thank you, Morgan.
Yeah.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning.
You guys, that is our cabana right there.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
fun. We did have to split up our group because the raft only holds 4, but it was fun. We actually met another really great family behind us, and so we got to kind of ride with them, or my husband got to kind of ride with them. So that was great because they had a family 5, we had a family 5. We split it up. So it was perfect. We are headed on another one. And just a note though with that one, it is very short. So I did not realize how quick that ride was, but it was a lot of fun. Nice and splashy. We were able to cool down. So we're going to go on this next one here. It's just my husband and I, the kids. My mom wanted to go to Lazy River, so it's perfect. So we're going to try out a couple of them. One. Both of these so far, 2 for 2, have been really fast. Even my husband's like, alright, I mean, they're under a minute. So that's been definitely a little bit different. We are jumping in the Lazy River to just stay cool. My phone is getting warm, and I hope I'm getting enough footage for you guys because my phone keeps shutting off because it's so warm in this cave. And if it's blurry, that would be why. We're gonna head back over to the cabana. And we are going to order some lunch, meet up with the kids. We have a nice big waterfall, and I'm pushing dodge it. So we just got done ordering some lunch. There's 2 quick service locations here. Everyone just went to go get some drinks with our refillable mugs, which are great. So then we're gonna shove them all in the cooler so they stay nice and cold. Lovely thing about these new mugs is they have little handles on them. So one person is going getting a bunch of mugs refilled. It should be pretty easy because they have little handles. That makes things super easy. I see Morgan. He's delivering someone's food right now. Blakely's playing in the sand. I'm just relaxing, taking a break. I just got my notification that our food is ready to go, so Morgan will get notified of that as well, and he'll be able to bring us all of our stuff. Footlong hot dog is bomb, and then they also got a Mickey pretzel and cheese. So this is the fish and chips. I got the fish tacos, which have a mango salsa, which I'm super excited about, on a flour tortilla. And then my husband got the chicken strips. And by the way, too, the hot dogs come with Lay's, plain Lay's potato chips. The gun is crazy.
It's really good.
So the food was really good. I really enjoyed it. I think we all kind of really enjoyed it. forgot to show you guys the mini donuts. I get these every time we come to the water parks. They have them at Blizzard Beach, but you can only get them at Typhoon or Blizzard Beach. I just dropped this one, so I have to throw it away. But you guys, they're so good. I had to show you because up north we have them everywhere. But then getting them at the parks is like perfect. But I could only get them at the water parks. Worried about it, so that was a little good. I really liked that one. That was much better. It gave a little bit more of a thrill, but it's still a really nice family ride. We're gonna jump on a Crush and Gusher. It's only a 15-minute wait, so it's perfect. Come to Typhoon without getting a hey cone, so my son is dying to get this. And then I got the mango and lime twist cup of Dole Whip, and this is this looks so good. So today ended up being a really nice day. I enjoyed the weather. I am sorry for this bouncy camera. I'm still using my phone. I did not take up my big camera just because you're a little nervous, we're a little wet. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was a really nice day. I am so sad to leave Morgan. He was so sweet. He was just like on top of it. I'm like, I'm gonna go get Dole Whip after this. He's like, I would love to go get it for you, but he's like, if I go and get it for you, he's like, it's gonna be so melted. So he just thinks of the little things, and getting to know him and talk to him. All I can say is be nice to these cast members. They are working a lot. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't already done so and you did enjoy this video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so and you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you can be notified of every other video that is coming out here soon in our whole July Disney vlogs. But once again, my name is Jeannie. Love you too. Once again, my name is Jeannie. It is so nice to meet you and have a great rest of your day. Bye. Here you go.
Oh, there's your car.
Can we use the vlog?
Say thanks for watching the vlog.
Thanks for watching the vlog.
We hope to see you real soon.
Hope to see you really soon.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the subscribe.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
Turn that notification bell on.
Turn that notification bell on.
And we'll see you the next time.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.